What are we doing? Where are we going?
Costco!
Why are we at Costco?
Because we're trying to get a Christmas tree.
Because we're gonna go get our Christmas tree. All right, let's go.
Wait,
Which one should we get?
I think we should get that one.
Get that one? Which one, Alyssa?
Take that. That's heavier.
Is heavy better?
Yeah.
Okay. That's a good tall one. I handmade all of these ornaments a couple years ago, and I actually have tutorials on each one of them, so I will link the Christmas playlist in the description box below if you'd like to go check that out and find all of the tutorials on how to create these ornaments if you'd like to make them for your own home. Thank you all so much for watching and joining us as we got our family Christmas tree and got it all decorated for the Christmas holiday. Please take a second to give this video a thumbs up for me. You can also share this with your friends and family and inspire them too. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And beginning December 1st, I will be having a 12 Days of Christmas series beginning. So you will get 12 straight days of Dollar Tree Christmas DIYs. So also make sure you hit that bell so that you get notified when those videos are going live. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.